Hi, everybody. It's Gerard again, and I hope you're all doing well. Well, like I put up on Twitter and everything, I got a keyboard delivered here today from my laptop. Uh, Best one I've got right now, and missing four keys. They wanted almost $6 a key to replace them, and you know, see, four sixes, $24, or I buy a whole new keyboard for 15. So I bought it. Yeah, it came out of China. Wasn't bad though. 9 days I got it. So this is going to be a video about a 65-year-old noob replacing a keyboard in a laptop for the first time. I haven't even took it out yet. I took the keyboard out, make sure it wasn't broken and it looked like the right one. I'm hoping it is. We'll find out. But let me show you the laptop. Aha. See if we get it down here a little better. There we go. All right, here's the laptop. It's a HP uh, G60. It's an older one, about 15-inch screen, but it was given to me. Couldn't get it to do nothing and everything. It turned out to be full of viruses, everything. I ended up wiping it. It was originally, I think it was Vista. Well, I've got Windows 7 Home Premium on it, 64-bit. It had 2 gigs of RAM. I scrounged up 2 more, so it's got 4 gigs. Now, the buttons on the keyboard still work, just, yeah. So I was using it like that till I made sure it was going to be worth fixing. Battery was bad. Bought a battery for $9. Didn't have an AC adapter given to me, but I had one. It's got a little ding over here, but that's about it. But they had stickers. The gal who gave to me, she had stickers stuck on everything. And over here, it was all covered up with stickers and glued on fake plastic like jewelry. Had to use a hammer and a screwdriver to get it off. But it works. It works great. I works so good. I put a 120 gig solid state hard drive in it. Runs real good now. Boots up in about 30 or 40 seconds. But let's get started with this. I got the keyboard over here. It's right here. And let's see, shut this thing down. There we go. And dead air, dead air. Yeah. All right. Oh my God, I hope there wasn't going to get any updates. I didn't even look. Come on, you're better than this. You got me scared. Up there it goes. And it's out. All right, so the first thing I know I got to do is take this battery out. Never want to do anything when it's got power in it. Oh, there we go. Put it up over here. Now they tell me, I'm not even sure if you can see this. There's 3 screws. I watched a couple of YouTube videos on how to take this out, but this is the first time. It's got 3 screws. There they are, 1, 2, 3, and they're marked. Keyboard even. Oh, cool. All right, so we got to take these guys out first. Here we go. In every video I saw, this screw never came out completely. It always stayed stuck and looks like it's going to do the same thing. Ah, maybe not. Wait a minute. Yeah, that looks like it. Yep. I watched 2 videos. Both of them, that screw stayed stuck there. The other 2 came out. We'll see what happens. Oh, there's one. All right, second one. Here we go. Last one. All right, come out 2. All right. We're good. Now, this ain't supposed to be that hard from what I saw. I was surprised. Because I tore apart some laptops that we did to try to just scrap stuff out of them and play around. Let me see. I didn't really want to use this, but we'll use the knife. They say there's supposed to be like 3 little spots up here where you just pull it out. Oh, this may go really well yet. And 1 ribbon cable. All right. You guys got your fingers crossed? I broke these before. Gotta push it out with your thumb. Oh, got 1. Ha! The old man got it. Now you can see here why I wanted another one, but I waited till I made sure this thing was going to be okay. These 4 button keys, all you see is buttons, they still worked. I could still use this laptop. Danny and Lee, remember I tell you the battery's going? Yeah, when I watch your show at night, I use this laptop. Works good. I can still annoy the heck out of you in the chat. Hey, that live show's great. Haven't missed one, don't plan on missing any. All right, let's see what we got here now. Put this knife away. And see what you got here. We got another one. The new one's right here. All right. Covered up good too. I've had it since early this afternoon. That's why I wrapped it all up to put it back. I don't want to leave it laying around like that. And there's the keyboard. And, that's weird. Looks better with the keys on it. Don't understand that at all. All right, now, here's my tricky part. And let's see. Well, it'd be a good idea if I could see. We're going to trust it the first time, see what happens. I'm just going to line it up and try to push it in there. I'm not even sure if it's catching right. I don't think it is. I'm not sure. We'll find out here in a minute. I don't know. Feels strong. What do you think? You think I got it or what? Well, we're going to find out. All right. This was going a lot simpler than I thought. That's why I'm wondering if it's plugged in right. All right. Close this down to hold it in place. I hope. Now let's turn it back over and see if we can catch a screw. All right. Is this one that got left behind? It's still there? I don't think it's catching. Nope. I don't know why. Must be too much space. Try it like this then. Let's see. Ah, it just fell out. Easy, Jerry. Easy. Knew this was going too easy. Yeah, there's no side clips or anything on this, is there? Oh, wait, yeah, there is. I missed them. Here we go. Ah, well, they all clicked. I don't know why I didn't think of that the first time. Try it again. Old man, old brain. Forgot all about saying that in the video. But let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. It's getting better. Still haven't turned it on yet. May have to do this all over again. But for your sake, I hope not. Haven't learned how to edit yet, so this is what you get. It's raw. But like I said, could be a foul. I really don't know. But there we go. The last screw is in. All right, let's try this battery. All right. Okay, quick. Is it going to work or isn't it? Is it going to work? All right, we'll try it. Let's see. Get this turned a little bit here. Maybe you guys could see if it comes. I figure it's a turn on and boot, but will the keyboard work? This will be the trick. Dum da dum dum. See, it don't take long. It's a cold boot up. You saw it without the battery in it. This laptop is, I'd say, at least 8 years old. And here we go. Welcome. And it's coming up. It's almost there. Wi-Fi's hooked up. All right. Let's see if the keyboard works. Sort, refresh, view. I'm looking to put up. Where am I at? I'm looking to put up a file. Why didn't it come up? View, sort, paste, new. Yeah, new. What do we want to type on? Rich text document. That'll work. All right, let's open it up. Here we go. What do you think? This is all left-handed, so well, that worked. Keyboard seems to be working. What keys were missing? We were missing this one, and this one, and this guy over here. Doesn't work, but it's ringing in. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. What was the fourth one? Oh, look at the keyboard, Jerry. Oh, it was these guys down here. That works. That works. All right. Hey, what do you know? Oh, my name works. And let's see, we go on YouTube. Feels good. Still got that little brand new texture on the keys and everything. That was completely wore off and smooth. You can see the shiny spots on. Oh, you can't. You can see the shine on this. Thing was used. The gal did do photo editing and everything. She liked that stuff. Let's see. What else do we need to try, guys? Oh, okay. Number lock. 1, 4. Yeah, they all work. Look at that. They all work. All right. Well, guys, your old man got lucky again. So, heck, let me see here. What do we got? We got my belly. What do you know? That's pretty cool. Well, guys, thanks for coming by. Figured I got this. Would have done an unboxing of the keyboard, but wanted to make sure it was all right before I tried to put it in here. Make sure I had the right one. I have ordered the wrong thing before, especially RAM on some of these older ones, and wanted to make sure. But no, works good. Danny and Lee, I'll be able to attack you a little faster now. Nah, you guys are cool. You help a lot. And that's Danny at New Nerd on a Budget. And then you got Lee, like I'm Lee from comptv. Oh, Lee's son today is having his first birthday. He's 1 year old. Congratulations to you guys. Hope you're having a really good day. Lee, stay away from the cake and ice cream. And yeah, thanks a lot, guys. And like everybody says, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. But the biggest thing is share and comment. Love seeing all the comments. I try to answer every one. If I missed one, I'm really sorry. YouTube and Google ain't been playing nice lately. But share it. I love meeting new people. Yeah, the more this gets shared around, the more people I get to meet. Even if they subscribe or not, I get to meet them. So all they got to do is leave a comment. So, all right, everybody. I'm Gerard, and thanks for coming. Thank you.